Hi everyone, need an enterprise-grade data layer that won't fall apart under heavy transaction loads or massive concurrent queries? Today we are deploying a fully optimized Postgres server instance to give your backends maximum data integrity and indexing speed for zero cost. Let's bring it up. Move directly down to the description area below to fetch the pre-configured server distribution bundle from our website. Run this initial package deployment script to let the system structure your database clusters and write the baseline configuration blocks. As soon as the core binaries land, a secondary installation console will automatically take over your screen. Just sit back and let this native wizard initialize the system database schemas and set up your local administration utilities. Now, run the newly added terminal client shortcut to see the active connection prompt link with your local host. Allow the shell to initialize completely to ensure the root configuration and system catalogs mount with zero delay. Your high-performance relational database engine is completely operational, calibrated, and ready to store heavy datasets. Head over to our website right now to claim your installation package and start engineering like a boss.